How to get unlimited virtual cards for free trials. In this video, I will show you how you can free virtual cards for free trials. For that, just go to any browser and search for UMoney. When you search for UMoney, open the first link in front of you, UMoney. When you open this link, you will get a website like this. Now, at the right side, you can see there's two options, sign up and sign in. Just click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it will ask you for your mobile number. Just select your country code and enter your mobile number. It will send a text message code on your mobile number. Just enter that code and simple click on next. After when you click on next, it will ask for your email address. Similarly, write your email address and click continue, and it will send you a code on your email. Just enter that code and again continue. Now simply enter your password. Your password must be according to instruction and just simply click next. When you continue, here your account has been set up. Now click on bank cards. When you click on bank cards, it will show you a virtual card. Simply click on virtual card. When you click on virtual card, you can see it will give you a virtual card with zero fee. Just click on get started and enter your security code and you will get your virtual card. So this virtual card is free and you can use it as a trial. So for if you want more account, then create new account on this website and you will get a new virtual card. So this is the way you can get unlimited virtual card for free trials.